Hello, you are watching Balahippo Math Genius Riddles. A, B, C are positive integers. All of them are not equal to 0. Find the value to fulfill a squared plus b squared plus c squared equal to 3968. It is the top questions. Would you please to find it? In this video, we will share the nice approach to find the value. Pause the video and try it while you are ready. Keep watching the video to know the result. We have one given equations, a squared plus b squared plus c squared equal to 3968. Try to find the three unknown items. Where should we start? While we focus on the number 3968, try to factorize it as the usual way. 3968 equal to 2 power 7 times 31. If we think A, B, C with the same factors, all of them will be square value are just as 2 power 6 times 2 times 31 and 2 power 6 equal to 2 cubed square. Assume the given information as 2 cubed square multiplies quantity p square plus q square plus r square equal to 2 cubed squares times 62. Then p square plus q square plus r square equal to 62. Find the value of p, q, r in the new equations. Is that the right solutions? It could be okay, or we may lose other solutions. Now back to the number 3968. We find it is an even number. To fulfill these given equations, it could be a square is an even number, b square and c square are odd numbers, or all of these three items are even numbers. Let's check the first conditions. A is an even number. Let A equal to 2a1, b, c are odd numbers. Let b equal to 2b1 plus 1, and c equal to 2c1 plus 1. Substitute a by 2a1, b by 2b1 plus 1, c by 2c1 plus 1 to the given equations. Develop the three quantity in the left side of equations. Then match 2 to both sides of value. We got a new equations. Then take a look at the right side items. All of them multiplied by 4. And the numbers 3966 cannot be divisible by 4. So it is not the right conditions. Okay, then back to the condition. All of the square items are even numbers. Let A equal to 2a1, b equal to 2b1, and c equal to 2c1. a1, b1, c1 all positive integers. Substitute a, b, c by these new items to the given equations. Develop them, and the number 3968 can be divisible by 4. It works. Then divide it by 4 to the both sides of equations. Get a1 squared plus b1 squared plus c1 squared equal to 992. We analyze the numbers 992 again. It is an even number. This is also with two conditions. First is one even number and two odd numbers, or all of them are even numbers. Same operations with previous process. 992 can be divisible by 4, so we drop the condition with the one even numbers and 2 odd numbers. While all of them are even numbers, let a1 equal to 2a2, b1 equal to 2b2, and c1 equal to 2c2. a2, b2, c2 are positive integers, all of them not equal to 0. Substitute a1, b1, c1 by 2a2, 2b2, and 2c2. 2a1 squared plus b1 squared plus c1 squared equal to 992. Develop as 4a2 squared plus 4b2 squared plus 4c2 squared equal to 992. Divide by 4 to both sides of equations. Get a2 squared plus b2 squared plus c2 squared equal to 248. Let's go further. 248 is an even number. Two conditions come out. 248 can be divisible by 4. The condition will be all these items with even numbers. Let a2 equal to 2a3, b2 equal to 2b3, and c2 equal to 2c3. Substitute a2, b2, c2 by 2a3, 2b3, and 2c3 to these equations. Then develop them as 4a3 squared plus 4b3 squared plus 4c3 squared equal to 248. Divided by 4 to both sides, we have a3 squared plus b3 squared plus c3 squared equal to 62. 62 is an even number. Two conditions to meet these equations. One even number and 2 odd numbers, or all these 3 items are even numbers. 62 cannot be divisible by 4, so the condition will be 1 even and 2 odd numbers. Then let a3 equal to 2a4, b3 equal to 2b4 plus 1, c3 equal to 2c4 plus 1. a4, b4, c4 are positive integers, but a4 not equal to 0, and the b4, c4 can be equal to 0. Substitute a3, b3, c3 by these new items to the equations. Develop it, simplify, then divide by 4 to the equation as a4 squared plus b4 squared plus b4 plus c4 squared plus c4 equal to 15. Adjust it as a4 squared plus b4 times quantity b4 plus 1 plus c4 times quantity c4 plus 1 equal to 15. b4 times quantity b4 plus 1 plus c4 times quantity c4 plus 1 larger or equal to 0. It is that a4 squared less than 15. And b4 times quantity b4 plus 1 and the c4 times c4 plus 1 are even numbers. So a4 squared should be an odd number. a4 could be equal to 3 or 1. Let's check the value one by one from a4. While a4 equals to 3, then the equation is 3 squared plus b4 times quantity b4 plus 1 plus c4 times quantity c4 plus 1 equal to 15. b4 times quantity b4 plus 1 plus c4 times quantity c4 plus 1 equal to 6. While b4 equal to 1, y times 2 plus c4 times c4 plus 1 equal to 6. c4 times quantity c4 plus 1 equal to 4, it is not the solutions. While a4 equal to 3 and b4 equal to 0, then c4 times quantity c4 plus 1 equal to 6, 2 times 3 equal to 6, c4 equal to 2. It is one of the solutions. The value of b4 and c4 can be swapped, so a4 equal to 3, b4 equal to 2, and c4 equal to 0 Is the solution true? While a4 equal to 1, 1 square plus b4 times quantity b4 plus 1 plus c4 times quantity c4 plus 1 equal to 15. b4 times quantity b4 plus 1 plus c4 times quantity c4 plus 1 equal to 14. While b4 equal to 1, 1 times 2 plus c4 times quantity c4 plus 1 equal to 14. c4 times quantity c4 plus 1 equal to 12. Then 3 times 4 equal to 12. So c4 equal to 3. b4, c4 can be swapped the value. So b4 equal to 3, c4 equal to 1 is the solution true. While b4 equal to 2, 2 times 3 plus c4 times quantity c4 plus 1 equal to 14. c4 times quantity c4 plus 1 equal to 8 is not the solution. So we get the number group for A4, B4, C4. They are 1, 1, 3, and 3, 0, 2. Then the number group for A3, B3, C3 is 2, 3, 7, and 6, 1, 5. Here's some discussion at the beginning. We assume 2 cube square multiplies quantity p square plus q square plus r square equal to 2 cube square times 62. Then p square plus q square plus r square equals to 62. Same as we get the final equations. a3 square plus b3 square plus c3 square equals to 62. It's just lucky. So the value will be 2 square plus 3 square plus 7 square equal to 62, and 2 cube square equal to 2 power 6. So a square, b square, and c square as 2 power 6 times 2 square plus 2 power 6 times 3 square plus 2 power 6 times 7 square. And from the other number group, 6 square plus 1 square plus 1 square equal to 62. We can get another number group of A, B, C. Do you find the solutions? Hope you to enjoy the video. Thank you.